Fast Lane is a wristband that you can purchase for an additional fee, on top of your Knott's Berry Farm admission, that gives you priority access to some of the most popular rides. It can save a lot of time and allow you to fit in more rides and shows. Fast Lane rides are not identified on the map or the app, and there are very few badly positioned signs, so it can be a challenge to figure out which rides have Fast Lane and how to access the Fast Lane entrance. For most rides, it's through the exit. The rides below accept Fast Lane. Depending on how many of them you intend to ride, it may, or may not be worth your while to invest in Fast Lane. None of these rides are suitable for small children. They're all listed as 4 or 5 out of 5 on the thrill scale. If you only have a couple of people in your group who want to do the extreme rides, it might be worth getting Fast Lane just for them, so they can zip through those rides and rejoin the group, rather than being gone for hours on a whole separate trip. If you're buying the Fast Lane wristband, write these down or print this page.